Ooh, ready, guys. Look at that beauty right there. Hey, that's me, guys. I didn't know customer brought their white PT in here for us to work on. Whoa! What in the hell is going on out here? A Charger towing? I wonder what that could be. And according to that emblem, that is a Hemi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going down here to be nosy. Y'all wanna come with me? Let's find out why. And before you guys jump to conclusion, it could very well be induced. Remember, guys, some customers indulge in self-inflicting wounds to their own vehicle. Some will ride through a puddle of water. Alright? That is not, stop blaming that on FCA. Alright? That is not an FCA thing. I'm going to be nosy a little bit. Hold tight. Hey, no stock? No stock?
I don't know. I don't know if it'll crank or not. I don't know about a vehicle. I don't try to crank it.
Oh, you're going to roll it down?
I'm just going to coach the camera with this slide over there.
Okay.
You need to move something?
No. I'm wondering, will it move? You don't know if it's hard.
No.
Alright, yeah, that's right.
See? Sometimes they tell me, sometimes they say, well, it won't start. Okay.
It's got a fuel pump or something crazy. Who knows?
Yeah.
Alright, guys, you don't know what's going with it. If I had to guess, I don't know. It's hard to guess. I don't like to indulge in guessing. So I'll wait. Maybe I'll get the ticket. Who knows? That one, he's just gonna roll that out, so there's nothing. Normally I hang around, watch, and film them dropping. Ooh, look at this Durango. Look like an SRT from here. Look, I ain't even up on it yet, guys. Can you say SRT? And the hood is up. So let's see what's under here. We're gonna be nosy. God, please don't let this be a Pentastar 3.6. Ta-da! Yes, V8. Not a SRT, not the big boy, but a 5.7. That's still good, guys. All right. I'm about to do a W84. Y'all know what that is? It's just a typical day in the shop video. W84 is the flash we're doing to the PCMs to help curb oil consumption, guys. I still ain't got around to getting that video to showing y'all exactly what this flash do. Yes, guys, I was a non-believer in, what can you do to a computer to make an internal combustion engine stop burning oil. I was one of those guys that find it hard to believe that such a thing can happen. But I am semi-convinced. Now, not all the way, okay? There's still some non-understanding of it, but I'm gonna show you all the video I was presented that tries to explain it. All right, this is a Cherokee. W84 was where we go in and program the PCM and the TCM if necessary. Like I say, what we're trying to do is curb oil consumption. These cars are burning oil, losing oil. Not losing oil will result in a oil leak, right? I have yet to repair one that has an oil leak concern. So oil leak concern is like physical. You can like physically see fluid on the ground. That's not the case. But guys, this particular 4-cylinder VVT engine oil level is crucial. When I say crucial, I mean crucial. You will have all kinds of problems ranging from stall out, coming to a stop. And it was stall out. On my black Cherokee, my girl called me one day. This damn car didn't quit. I filmed that. For the life of me can't find the footage. I had to go up there to the rescue because she said she finally got it started. And she pulled over to the side. And guess where she pulled over to? It was an AutoZone right there. So I merely walked in AutoZone, got a OW20, guys. I think that's what that takes, synthetic. But when you got no oil in it, oil period matters, okay? So oil weight is not important when you got none in it, as opposed to riding around with no oil in it. Put anything in it, guys. Don't be so freaking careful. I ain't gonna use the word careful. Don't be so just I gotta do it right. If you have nothing in your car, anything is better than nothing. As far as oil go, I'm referring to. Okay, so I mean, that you will have to change the oil and put the correct weight of oil in it. All right, it takes synthetic oil. All right, so let me grab my scan tool, and get to programming this thing, guys. I don't want to bore y'all with this. I've already wasted 5 minutes of your life, but this is a typical day in the shop video. All right. Oh, I felt a bump. And I have to check the oil level, guys, because they didn't come in for an oil change. They just come in for the W84. I think that's what it is. So, in fact, some are not repairable, guys. So, as in this case right here, that is a, I don't know what that is. I thought that was maybe a long block. It might be a long block. 2-4 long block. Might not. Who knows? I don't know. I want to look under here and see how the oil level look. Guys, I'm just, do not thumbs down my video. I'm just browsing around, typical day, walking around clowning. See my co-workers over there. Y'all take a look at the shop. It's cool in here, guys. We got AC. All right. Y'all can see some of the stuff we got in here. Look at that 300 with that top. Y'all see the top on that? See, I try to refrain from showing license plates, but every now and then I let y'all get a peek at the operation. Some guys say, man, I don't believe you work in no Chrysler dealership. Like, so I just hang out up here all day for nothing? Like, I'm not proving nothing to them. Like, I don't have to prove nothing to nobody. Yeah, look at that beauty over there. That is one beautiful car, ain't it? That is a beautiful car right there. Yes, it's lovely, guys. Just need to watch it. Yeah. JT Cruiser. Call it what you want. I bet it ain't got no oil consumption problem. Yes. So let me let's do this, guys, while y'all hanging out with me. I don't want to be unprofessional. JT, where's your rag at? Alright. So I ain't in for this, but I'm gonna look this car over. Chances are I might can sell something. I don't know. But again, look at this top, man. Y'all see this? This had to been done, because I don't know, I never seen one from the factory like this. Now, this is suspense. I see a nag 1 transmission right here, guys. If this nag 1 going in here, yeah, it's got a Hemi. If it's got a Hemi, it's got a nag. Look, guys, dipstick tube. No dipstick, but a tube. So obviously this transmission is going in there. No. Alright, guys, I have wasted enough of y'all time. So I won't. We got diesel down there. What else is interesting? Nothing really interesting today, guys. So I'll find y'all something interesting. Look at that. See that? Black Cool. It says Black Cool on it. Have no idea what that means. Like I said, guys, typical day in the shop. So let me get out here and get some work done. They looking at me like I'm crazy. What the hell JT doing? Alright, guys, I'll get with y'all later. Stay tuned.